How's she not here?
The birthday girl's gone. She went to go work out. She went for a hike this morning. So I'm gonna go say happy birthday to her.
First stop, 85. Yes, Chi get the tongs.
It was early for us.
We're starting with an empty tray. First stop, what is this, Jen?
That is spicy sausage.
Spicy sausage. This is our go-to hot dog one. Cheesy hot dog. Cheesy dog.
This is our new favorite.
What is this
This is
called?
our new custard. This is the kids' favorite.
Hokkaido custard bun.
What do you want?
Oh, I'll have one of these. These are really good. These are premium milk in the inside. It has like a nice cream. Jen, you want one of these premium milks? Happy birthday, Jen.
I totally want to see you singing, and then there was nobody there.
I went to go say happy birthday. You guys saw that clip. Anyways, she's back. We're here.
It's not for her.
Mommy Daddy still has that bread, huh?
Do you want that for your birthday? You want that for your birthday? Yeah. So. Jen's favorite restaurant, and we have gotten a private room. Wow.
Woo! How cool! This is the athletic center right here.
I would like to raise a glass. She's celebrating my lovely sister's 36th birthday.
26.
26th birthday. Thank you for being here and celebrating. We love you, John.
Thank you for
Happy birthday! We're back. 2 days in a row with Ginny and Elson. What is that vlog, Elson? Hi, Elson. This is Elson. Ginny's a bit. Okay. What do you have here?
This is a fresh orange and green tea. Give it a try.
Give it a try.
It's delicious. It's refreshing. It's like Vietnam.
Yeah. That tastes like Vietnam.
The culture.
Yeah, that does. Okay, now see what's happening on the other side of this camera lens. I witnessed Paul literally eat the ginger
It's good.
from his plate like normal.
Want to try it, Steve?
Cucumber salad. These are me my partner taste tester today. Mole, everybody.
Oh my god, look how cute that is. It's like a Japanese thing. Oh, we're ready. I'm ready, I'm ready.
Cheers. First bite.
Yeah. Maybe for Wagyu, beef Wagyu, but it's not. It doesn't taste like Wagyu. Have you ever tried the
Ginny is waiting for her soup dumpling so she can eat her cucumber salad with it. I will do a taste test with you. This is how I eat it. I dip it in my sauce. Like this. You know you're supposed to bite the top off of here?
You got 2 orders of chopped fried rice. I'll have one down here. I'll just come over, okay?
Does that make sense?
I'll not be eating this, but this is the pork chop fried rice.
You want to try it?
Ginny is trying the
Tender.
pork chop fried rice, and she said it's extremely tender.
For pork chop?
Just give me like a little piece.
Bite it.
Yeah, don't they go like this? Or like, it doesn't matter.
I've always had dry pork chops.
That's actually really good.
It's really good.
Here, Paul, you demonstrate us the proper way to vlog.
So juicy.
Pork chop.
You're shaking.
He's nervous.
On camera shot.
This is the noodle with sesame. It's amazing and my favorite. There's no elegant way. Except for Chitty. I was like, there's no elegant way to eat this except for Chitty. Okay, here we go. Cheers.
It's like a peanut taste. I love it.
This is shrimp shumai.
It looks dangerous.
A little shrimpy on top.
The fact that there's soup at the bottom of this volcano feels a little dangerous.
I dipped the bottom.
Do you think I could shove it in my mouth like the other one?
No. I think it's a two-biter.
No. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, go. Cheers. Oh.
Those are so funny.
Yeah, you should definitely think about it. Look how precise Nelson is over there. Making sure his soup is poured perfectly.
That was dangerous.
I won't record what you just said to me, but Ginny just said something spicy. The story has to do with this food. This is a spicy wonton, and everyone loves it, and I don't like
I
it.
just want you to know that this spoon is good for guns. Yeah, you know, come over. 3 years?
Yeah, that's their birthday. Jordan.
Tell us about the tradition that you have.
Oh.
Well, it started off really
Well, it started
sad.
off that he forgot about my birthday.
He actually did.
He actually did. And then he just
Actually, he was in a tornado bunker because there was a tornado warning, and he had to hide in a bunker with no service.
yeah, and then he made it a tradition not to say happy birthday every year.
Well, then one year he like had to get his appendix removed in the hospital, and he almost actually died.
No, he ruined her birthday by having an appendix taken out.
And then he just stopped saying happy birthday.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear the space, Kiki.
Oh my god.
Oh, she blew out the candle already. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Mingo. Hi, Mingo. I have been too busy cooking in this messy kitchen I've made to vlog.
2 hours later,
We're
you're
having
like, too bad.
Korean barbecue outside for John's birthday.
This was like years ago.
How is it?
I haven't got to the main course yet.
I made mini Korean corn dogs.
Tteokbokki?
It's spicy?
No, I can handle it. The rice cake sucks.
Oh.
It's like gooey.
Oh.
But if the rice cake was like what you had before, it would be good.
Yeah.
A different brand.
Because they didn't have the other one. We're having Korean barbecue outside. Some yummy salads, fish cakes. Got the radish salads. These are mini. I accidentally made them too big. Some rice cakes. I had a feeling.
Hello everybody. Alex, make a toast.
You don't even drink wine.
This has been a very stressful weekend for our whole family. Yesterday we had an incredible year-long planned surprise birthday party for Uncle Dave, celebrating his 40th birthday that was in and out theme. And then today, the 23rd, it is my lovely sister's 36th birthday. She has accomplished so much in her life as a BLT, and I can't wait for what her and the rest of her children have to accomplish. It's speaking. Toast, cheers, raise a glass over
Cheers!
Happy birthday, so happy my sister. He was over here putting the brisket on, disrespecting my toast.
This is your meat that I'm cooking.
It's an MLT, but they call me BLT. Who call me BLT?
Uncle Jordan.
Jordan.
What's an MLT?
Yeah, medical.
Oh, medical, yes.
MLT or something.
Big something medical lab tech.
Hi, Vincent. Vincent, look it.
Jordan said something about
Hi.
cheese.
Say bye. Do you see yourself? Ah,
Here, you want to take it out?
I got that. Oh my God. Say it again. Cheese.
They said cheese.
Ah, cool. Ah.
And we need to go to the next store because I gotta buy your bag and stuff, right? And then I was like, okay, so I said, let's go. I'm gonna pick you up right now. Wait, start over. Goes, oh, Mom, I need to buy you a bag or a box. To go to the Dollar Tree, I need to go buy one, right? And I said, oh, okay.
The vanilla Oreo
I said,
open yung.
well, I'm gonna come by and swing and pick you up. Let's go, right? So I go and pick her up, and she goes, are you ready to buy your stuff? And I'm like driving out, like, okay. And I was like, so where's your money?
You made your mom buy her own gift?
Mommy, where's Daddy?
I'm ready for Vegas. Stay home, let me stay home. No. Avalon does not like the way you.
Where's Daddy?
We're doing cake time. This is John's favorite cake, Hans and Harry's. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Trini, happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. What's wrong with you?
Oh, your rice?
Make a wish. Make a wish.
Vincent, bubble. Blow bubble. Oh, you're heavy.
I would like a pistachio.
No.
This is still trying to blow.
Want some ice cream?
We're eating ice cream from yesterday's party. Mango, this is pistachio. Mango just threw up. We had too much Korean barbecue.
I'll eat it too. The three of us can eat that one. Everybody grab a strudel. I have one whole one for myself already. Everyone grab a strudel.
Who went down to Chula Vista?
Oh, Judy brought it up yesterday.
Oh yeah, because they're closed on Sundays too, aren't they?
They're closed on Sundays.
Is it good, Dad? Is it good? Dee got her a present and she really wants her to open it.
Gotta read it.
Did you wrote that?
The front? Pretty handwriting.
Jesus Christ. Did you glue it?
Yeah.
No wonder.
Because we're like, she had a lot of sugar and like.
The mountain.
We already know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
You're the cat, lucky cat.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
She made it.
She hated it.
Thank you, princess.
Okay, I already paid you back.
Cat win. Oh yeah, Cat cooked it up. Cat win. Also, into it hooked it up to $5 off.
Receipt? Where's the receipt? The price.
Thank you.
The sale date. The sale date.
Oh, thank you guys.